ये स्वाधीनता हमें बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकाने के बाद प्राप्त हुआ है। हमारे देश के सपूतों के बलिदानों का ही यह परिणाम है स्वाधीनता।
एक ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में हमारे जवानों ने ये दिखाया है कि हम किसी से कम नहीं हैं। हमारी नारी शक्ति ने ये दिखलाया है कि हम भी किसी से कम नहीं हैं। तो हम चाहेंगे कि हमारे जो बच्चे हैं वो अपने आप को साबित करने के लिए ये दिखलाए, कमिटेड हों, अपने भी आगे बढ़ें और दूसरों को भी आगे बढ़ाएं। जहाँ भी कहीं कमजोरी महसूस होती है उसको लेकर के आगे बढ़ें।
It's time to begin the celebration by hosting the flag and singing the national anthem. Public, be attentive.
श्यामलां मातरं वन्दे मातरं। शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी फुल्लकुसुमितद्रुमदलशोभिनी मधुरे भासिनी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं।
वर्ष के अवसर पर आप छात्र छात्राओं को क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
ये स्वाधीनता हमें बहुत बड़ी कीमत चुकाने के बाद प्राप्त हुआ है। हमारे देश के सपूतों के बलिदानों का ही यह परिणाम है स्वाधीनता। और उनके जो सपने हैं, भारत को समृद्ध बनाना, स्वयं को संयमित बनाए रखना, विकास की दिशा में हमेशा अग्रसर होना, स्वयं जिएं और दूसरों को भी जीने का अवसर दें। छोटी छोटी बातों पर उसको ईगो से नहीं लें, बल्कि सहिष्णु बने, सामंजस्य बनाए रखें, जो म्यूचुअल हार्मोनी है उसको कायम रखें और सभी लोग मिलजुल के इस देश को की एकता और अखंडता को बरकरार रखने में अपनी भागीदारी दें। यही हमारी ओर से अपने छात्र छात्राओं को और साथ ही देश के समस्त नागरिकों के प्रति ये मेरा अपील होगा, यही मेरा आग्रह होगा।
सर, आप छात्र छात्राओं को क्या उपदेश देना चाहेंगे?
आज के दिन ये उपदेश देना चाहेंगे कि आज का ये 79वां 79th इंडिपेंडेंस डे है। हम लोग एक ओथ लें कि हम मिलजुल के आगे बढ़ेंगे। अगर कोई पिछड़ा हुआ है तो उसको भी आगे लेकर के बढ़ेंगे, ताकि हमारा जो देश है एक कोलैबोरेटिव अंदाज में आगे बढ़े। जिस तरह से हमने एक ऑपरेशन सिंदूर में हमारे जवानों ने ये दिखाया है कि हम किसी से कम नहीं हैं। हमारी नारी शक्ति ने ये दिखलाया है कि हम भी किसी से कम नहीं हैं। तो हम चाहेंगे कि हमारे जो बच्चे हैं वो अपने आप को साबित करने के लिए ये दिखलाएं, कमिटेड हों, अपने भी आगे बढ़ें और दूसरों को भी आगे बढ़ाएं। जहाँ भी कहीं कमजोरी महसूस होती है उसको लेकर के आगे बढ़ें।
थैंक यू सर। 15 अगस्त के अवसर पर आप छात्र छात्राओं को क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
15 अगस्त के अवसर पर छात्र छात्राओं को कहना चाहेंगे कि ये आज़ादी हमें बहुत संघर्ष से मिली है। कई वीरों ने अपने प्राण न्यौछावर कर दिए, तब हमें ये आज़ादी मिली। इस आज़ादी को बरकरार रखना है और देश को शक्तिशाली से और भी ज़्यादा शक्तिशाली, मोस्ट पावरफुल कंट्री बनाना है।
ये बिहार सम्राट सो की शक्ति भूमि धर्म भूमि। ये बिहार ये बिहार ये बिहार। कुछ को जाने संसार। ये है मेरा बिहार, ये मेरा बिहार, ये है मेरा बिहार, ये मेरा बिहार। वाल्मीकि ने रची रामायण, सब कुछ को जाने संसार। ये है मेरा बिहार, ये मेरा
भी तो है। पूरा धूप लग रहा है।
महान हमारे दल वीर सरदार उत्तम सिंह में कुल 20 सदस्य, एक फ्लैग कमांडर और एक कमांडर है और हम सभी परेड के लिए एकदम तैयार हैं। जय हिंद। प्रधान सम्मान
शिक्षिकाएं, हमारे प्यारे छात्र एवं छात्राएं, just previously you have heard the anchor of this stage was telling you that this Independence Day is not only a day but it should be considered to be the beat of our hearts. A bird says, हम पंछी उन्मुक्त गगन के पिंजरबद्ध न गा पाएंगे, कनक तीलियों से टकराकर पुलकित पंख टूट जाएंगे। Again, further it says, नीर न दो चाहे टहनी का आश्रय छिन्न भिन्न कर डालो, लेकिन पंख दिए हैं तो आकुल उड़ान में विघ्न न डालो. And in the same way, our granthas or the doctrines given by the rishis and munis of our country has told us salvation is the summum bonum of life. Means मुक्ति ही जीवन का परम लक्ष्य है. स्वाधीनता means what? We want to be liberated. Whatever we feel like, we must act accordingly. But here, while we enter into the education of the things, we come to the conclusion that we have to act independently, but we should never get liberty to do anything what is not accepted in our societies, what is not favorable for the survival of this world. Now this world has gone global. We have got this independence. Previously, a very little chap, a student of perhaps class 7 or 8, has told you much things, that by dint of the sacrifices of several patriot sons of this land, India, Bharat, we have achieved this opportunity to breathe into fresh and free air in the free land of our Bharat. This is the day when we remember those people due to whom we have got this opportunity. And today, every year on 15th August, we festivate this day as the Independence Day, our national day. They sacrificed their lives, but they might have dreamt something. Today, we festivate it to remember them, to remember or imagine the dreams what they might have dreamt at that time, and to fulfill their appetite, what they felt while they were ready to give sacrifice. This is what they might have dreamt, that now we are going to sacrifice ourselves for the sake of our offsprings, just like we are here. They might have thought that they should be affluent, rich in every walk of life. They should survive freely and very sophisticatedly. This thing we will have to understand, and for that, because we are the group of students, means we are the teachers, we are breathing in between you. That's why we can also understand the attitude, the nature, the behavior, the understanding of a child. And on that basis, I would like to tell you that we are the children. The future of this country is on our shoulder, and we will have to understand, we will have to develop ourselves. This is the time for you to invest every minute of your time at your study. And the slogan for this session, it might be possible that so many students may remember that I told you everyone that invest your total time towards your study, to achieve your better academic performance. And the slogan was given that self-study is the best study. You study in the classroom, you are being taught by your teacher. At another places, at coaching or tuition place, you are being taught by the teacher. But sometimes when you feel that up to the mark you have not got success, then you think that perhaps it might have been the fault on the part of the teacher. He might not have been, he might not have been taught me successfully. That's why this is the reason. No, it is not true. You will have to peep into yourself. You will have to understand that it is you who can achieve the goal. You will have to invest your time, pay proper attention towards your self-study. You study absorbingly, thereafter you will achieve the goal, and I expect that with the help of our students and teachers, we are going to produce the dedicated, committed citizen of our country who will be convicted for the betterment of this country. So many things you might have heard from so many previous speakers. Now it has taken much time. That's why I am going to finish my sayings with these words again. Namaskar, pranam to our national flag, respected national flag, and Mangal Kamna to everyone, every children, and every those people who are junior to me here, and again for wishes for the long life for the elders. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.
राष्ट्र ध्वज को नमन. Honorable Director sir, respected all the senior members of our school, Pavan sir, Sripad Babu sir, Ravinder sir, Sudhir sir, Sitaram sir, Sharma sir, Pratyush ji, and all the members, and one of our guardians like person who is here, Madhav Bhai is also here, and I am also just want to name all the press media people who are present here, and beloved children. I would like to congratulate, I would like to give my compliment, my blessing on the occasion of this auspicious occasion of 79th Independence Day. Independence means what? Independence means whether it is free, we are free to do each and everything. No, we have some bindings. We are in the bindings of Constitution, the rules and regulation of ours. What it is written in our Constitution, we are bound to follow all the things. What it is inside that, and we are celebrating according to that only every year on the 15th August Independence Day, and on 26th January Swatantra Divas, Swadhinta Divas. I would like to say something that we will do. You people are the future. You people are capable of doing all the things. What we are doing at present, we may do in future also, if you are committed to do. You must give your commitment towards your studies, towards your discipline, towards your all the activities what you are doing in a day. If you are committed to do all the things, then I feel that you will achieve all the goal whatever you will set. I just want to give you one thing, just want to share one thing that just now on 22nd of April we have seen that in Pahalgaon some terrorist attack from other countries, some terrorists came and they attacked our people, innocent people, and they killed them. In response to that, our soldiers, our brave soldiers have done what all the country of the world are watching very seriously. seriously to India at present. Our BrahMos done a splendid job. What the target set, it is achieved. Whatever target set, it is achieved. So I would like to tell you that if you will committed towards your studies, committed towards your discipline, you will do accordingly, and you will be the future of India. You will never get failed. You will be succeeded in every part of your life. It's our blessing. One thing I want to tell you, you all the students, all the children are here. I want just want to share you somewhere I have seen. Just in Hindi, I want to tell you one thing. क्लास 9 के बच्चे अपने क्लास में बैठे हुए थे। अब सारे बच्चे थे, जैसे अभी आप लोग बैठे हुए हो, तो सारे लोग बच्चे बैठे हुए थे। क्लास 9 के बच्चे ने 8 के बच्चे को एक तमाचा जड़ दिया। क्लास 9 के बच्चे ने 8 के बच्चे को एक तमाचा जड़ दिया। 8 के बच्चे ने कहा कि भाई हमें क्यों मार रहे हो? वो बोला मैं सीनियर हूं। 9 का बच्चा बोला मैं सीनियर हूं इसीलिए आपको मार रहा हूं। 8 का बच्चा 7 के बच्चे को मार दिया, बोला मैं भी सीनियर हूं इसीलिए 7 के बच्चे को मार रहा हूं। 7 के बच्चे ने 6 को मार दिया, 6 के बच्चे ने 5 को मारा, 5 के बच्चे ने 4 को मारा, 4 के बच्चे ने 3 को मारा, 3 के बच्चे ने 2 को मारा, 2 के बच्चे ने 1 को मारा। जब 1 की बारी आई तो 1 का था कि वो 0 ग्रुप के जो बच्चे हैं, यानी कि नर्सरी, एलकेजी, यूकेजी, उन बच्चों को जाकर के वो सोचा, 0 के जो बच्चे थे उन्होंने सोचा कि अब तो मुझे ही मार लगेगी। वो जाकर के एक कोने में दुबक गया।
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call our respected Pratyush Parimal sir, who is our academic in charge. So please give a speech.
79th Independence Day. This is the outcome of devotion and the sacrifice of freedom fighters who sacrificed their life to make this country a free nation. On this day, people get together at common places, national flag is hoisted, speeches are delivered, we swear in the name of the nation. This is the background behind this national festival. And we have developed in various areas, whether it be diplomatic or any other powerful country. Our country is one of the developed country in the world. We should try to contribute to our society and country. In various fields we have achieved a lot. Thank you.